Choo, look! The train is here, full of superfoods for you. Spinach green, fresh and bright, makes us strong with every bite. Milk so healthy, white and sweet, gives us strength from head to feet. Almonds crunchy, full of cheer, give us energy all through the year. Blueberries purple, tiny and round, healthy goodness to be found. Broccoli strong, standing tall, helps us grow, one and all. Carrots orange, shiny too, good for eyes and good for you. Eggs are yummy, white and bright, protein power in every bite. Tomatoes juicy, red and sweet, a healthy veggie treat to eat. Cheese so tasty, soft or light, makes our bones strong and bright. Honey, golden sweet delight, brings us joy with every bite. The superfoods train